To connect JBL Tune Flex with the Android smartphone, first you will need to download the app, or actually you don't need to download it. You can use those earbuds without the app, but it's strongly recommended to do so. You can find it on Google Play Store, and then let's move on to the actual pairing mode. So all you have to do is remove those both earbuds from the case, and then swipe down from top of the screen and look for the Bluetooth settings. Inside you should be able to find pair a new device, or somewhere at the bottom there should be a Bluetooth device list, and then there's the JBL Tune Flex. When it's paired, as you can see right here, we can move to the JBL headphones app, and then after a while we should be able to access them to adjust different settings for that headset.